Let's find the surface area of a cylinder. Remember, the surface area is what it takes to cover the outside of the cylinder. So we're going to find how much it would take to cover the outside of the cylinder. Got to start with our formula again. So let's find our formula sheet and find our formula. Surface area starts with SA, so we're going to write down this formula here. So it's SA equals 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi RH. Draw our box over here on the side. Go through, determine what we need. We need to know pi. We need to know the r. We already know pi. We already have r. We need to know the h. Pi, can't remember. Remember, it's on the formula sheet right here, but you use 3.14. We need to know the radius. In this case, it's 1/2. But since I like to put things in the calculator, I'm going to use 0.5. Remember, that's 2 into 1.0, 0.5. And then my height is 2. Now I'm just going to go over here and fill in all my numbers. 2 times 3.14. Remember, I like to use parentheses. Times 0.5 squared plus 2 times 3.14 times 0.5 times 2. Now let's put all that in the calculator. 2 times 3.14 times 0.5 squared, that's 1.57 plus 2 times 3.14 times 0.5 times 2, 6.28. Let's add those two together. 1.57 plus 6.28 is 7.85. And it's going to be centimeters squared because we're doing surface area. Now, can I check this in Desmos? Of course I can. We're going to say R is equal to 0.5 and H is equal to 2. And then we're going to put in our formula, which is 2 times 3.14 times R squared plus 2 times 3.14 RH. And we end up with 7.85, which is what we were looking for. So that answer is right. So that's how you find the surface area. But what if we are down here and we have a diameter instead of a radius? So we have to find our radius first because we've still got the same formula. Surface area is 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi RH. And remember, look at our formula. There's no D in there. Only letter we have is an R. So we got to make sure we got to find the diameter first. So I'm going to do radius is D divided by 2. So that's 3 divided by 2. So let's do that in the calculator. 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. So my radius is 1.5. So let's draw my box. And I need pi. And I need radius and I need my height. So pi is 3.14. Radius is 1.5. And my height is 7. So I've got 2 times 3.14 times 1.5 squared plus 2 times 3.14 times 1.5 times 7. And let's put that in my calculator. 2 times 3.14 times 1.5 squared, that's 14.13 plus 2 times 3.14 times 1.5 times 7, that's 65.94. That's 14.13. Whoops. Try that again. 14.13 plus 65.94. 80.07 feet squared. Let's check it with Desmos. So we've got R. What is R? R equals 1.5. H equals 7. And our formula is 2 times 3.14 R squared plus 2 times 3.14 RH, 80.07. So that's our answer. That's how you find the surface area of a cylinder.